When you're searching for reliable medical services, it helps to know exactly what to expect. That's why Private Healthcare Guide has partnered with Hearing First East Finchley to explain their Microsuction earwax removal service. Your visit begins inside Coots Pharmacy, where a qualified audiologist will greet you and bring you into a private clinical room. Your appointment starts with a full visual examination using a high-definition otoscope, allowing both you and the audiologist to see inside your ear canal. This helps many patients understand why their ears have felt blocked, itchy, or uncomfortable. If wax is present, your audiologist will explain microsuction, the gold standard method recommended by ENT specialists. There's no water, no syringing, and no pressure. Instead, a gentle medical suction device removes the wax while your audiologist keeps your eardrum in full view. The procedure is quick, usually just a few minutes, and most people experience immediate relief. Once the wax is removed, you'll be shown a final image of your ear canal, and your audiologist will provide aftercare advice. Thanks to Private Healthcare Guide's partnership with Hearing First East Finchley, residents have access to professional ear care they can trust. Click the link in the description to book your microsuction appointment today.